So in this video, we're going to install this MySQL server on Windows 11. So first and after that we can connect to this instance using command line. Okay. So first thing is that we need to download this respective version of MySQL server for Windows. So you can search like MySQL server for Windows, then this page will come. Then go to this second option like MySQL download, and here you have like several options are there. And you come down to the last page. This is the MySQL community download, and you have like several options are there like ndb operators, workbench for basically ui access, gui features. So today we are going to install only this community server, that is the server. So then you can see the latest release is 9.4. That is, this is not the stable one. So if you want to install the previous release, you can click on either you can click on this LTS long term release like 8.4.6 or something. If you want to specific version, then you can click on archive. So I click on archive because I want to install some of the specific version like 8.4. This is the last version of 8.4. You can select this one. Operating system is Microsoft Windows, and here like several options are there like MSI, zip. So I go with this the first one, that is 128 MB. Okay. So once you click on the download, it will take like a few minutes to download that one. So since I already downloaded that file, so I already placed in my download directory. You can see this file, the size is around 1 to 28 MB. Then you can simply double click this file. Yeah. So this when page will come, click on next, then I accept, then next. Then there is several options are there. If you want to typically install custom or complete, then click on the custom one, because I want to select or deselect any components. So here you can see only MySQL server version is coming. If you download like other version like 300 MB or something, there it will come like MySQL client like Workbench or something. Okay. So for me, I can go with this MySQL server only. So here you can change your location if you want. So in my case, I'm going to install in D drive, so that's why I'm going to change this one. Otherwise, you can leave the default one. In my case, I'm going to install on specific directory like DOPT. You can see here DOPT, MySQL, some directory 84. I already created this directory. I select this one. Click. You can see now it's selected. Click on next. Now you can start the installation. Now it will ask for to install some MSI. Yeah. So now we can configure this MySQL server. Click on finish. It will start configuring. Click on yes. Now you can click on this window, this minimized window. Yeah. So click on next. The data directory where your database files will be stored. In my it will click, I mean, if you want to take the default one, you can simply click next. In my case, I'm going to install it on some specific directory, that is this directory. So that's why you can select from here. Okay. Otherwise you can place this directory path. Why it is throwing error? The specific directory is not empty. Let me check this directory. 1 second. Why it is showing? Okay, I can select this directory. Hmm, let me show you this one. Go back. Next. Let me manually select this one. This PC. D drive. Why this library? This is D drive. OPT. Yeah, now it's working. So yeah, so in this page you can simply leave all these things as default, that is the port number 3306 like that. Click on next. Here you need to pass the root password. Okay, so later we can connect to this server using command prompt. So there we need to enter the password. Okay, same password you need to remember. You need to retype that one. So it will show you like weak password. Leave it, no problem. Click on next. Leave all this thing as default. It will ask for the service name, whatever service name it will ask. No issue. Click on next. Click on next, like user permission on that specific directory. So automatically select the first option. Then click on next. If you want to create this sample database, you can click this one. Otherwise, leave this and click next. Then it will ask for to execute this script internally. Click on execute. It will start configuring your database. I mean initializing. It will take few minutes, 1 minute maximum, I think. Almost starting the server, applying the security setting. Now you can see it is successfully installed 8.4.5. Click on next, finish. So now we can go ahead to connect to our server. So click on, I mean, come to search, Windows search. Here you have option like MySQL search. Yeah, you can see one option here, command line client. Okay, so click on that one. It will ask for the password. So whatever password you entered there, the same password you can enter here. Now we can see the MySQL prompt is coming, and it is showing some banner like what is the current version of MySQL, since I selected 8.4.5. So that's why it is showing 8.4.5 here. Now we can create some sample database and check whether it is working or not. So let me create some sample database. What is that? It is automatically selected. Let me copy again. Yeah, create database. Database name is orgdb1. Simple press enter. Yeah, so the database is created. Now we can use that database. We can use this database, and under this database we can create some tables. So let me check whether the table, any table exists. No tables, so we can go with this table. Some employee table having some field: employee id, name, salary, and department name. Paste here, and yeah, so now the table is created. We can select this, I mean describe that table. That command is it's same like oracle commands. Describe. You can see all the fields whatever we defined there. All the fields is coming: integer, employee id, name, salary. We can go with some sample database installation. Insert into insert into employee values. Four columns are there, so we need to pass all these values. Now we can insert some other rows. Yeah, now we can select whatever data we entered. Is it coming or not? Yeah. So now all your data is coming. I mean, inserted two records. So two records is showing. So once you completed your work, you can exit your database. Done. So this way we can install MySQL server. That is whatever version, the current version 8.45. on the Windows server, and later I can show you like how to connect this server, I mean this MySQL server using MySQL GUI, that is the MySQL workbench. Thank you guys.